8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado southeast of Norwich, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The tornado is expected to be near New Berlin at 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Another storm just east of Cincinnati at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time will move to McDonough by 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, north of Oxford by 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, north of Guilford by 8:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, near Mount Upton by 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Go to the basement or a small interior room